So I'm literally here now by the bus stop, going to thinking or picking what town I'm going to go and get some material for my first painting on the channel. Thank you, Mr. Bus Driver. So just headed into the shop now to ask the owners if I can go and have a look in their bins. Is it okay to look in your bins then?
Yeah.
Some rubbers. Thank you very much. Cool. A lot of these sign places have always got like end of roll stuff and that. So now we're starting with a rough sketch. So just so I get a rough idea. Right, so now I want to find a picture, good silhouette of Stonehenge, so I'll get that big. Good enough.